Breaking through in today's retro-saturated sneaker scene is no easy feat, yet the Air Jordan 4 RM has done just that. Introduced with help from BMX star Nigel Sylvester, this reimagined take on the iconic Jordan 4 has quickly carved out a niche of its own. Now arriving in a bold fire red colorway, the silhouette continues its rise with clear nods to classic Jordan lineage. The upper features sail-tinted mesh paired with neutral suede overlays for a subtly aged, vintage look. A coconut milk-colored midsole reinforces the neo-retro vibe. The standout is the updated cage system in white, which sets the stage for vibrant fire red Nike Air branding on the heel. Coordinating red hits on the tongue tag, outsole, and midsole offer a perfect balance of heritage and flair. The Air Jordan 4 RM Fire Red is currently available at Dick's Sporting Goods ahead of its wider launch on Nike.com.